Consistent characters are essential in Leonardo AI. This step-by-step beginner guide will help you easily create and maintain consistent characters. If you find this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Let's dive right in. The first step in creating consistent characters is to log into Leonardo AI. Once you're logged in, you can browse through the images you've generated. You can use one of these images as a base for your consistent characters. For example, if we have an image with a specific character, we can modify the details, such as the hairstyle or the character's current activity, to generate images that are consistent with that character. When you click on Generate, the AI will provide you with images that are similar to the original image you used as a prompt. It's important to wait for the images to load, as creating consistent characters takes some time. In order to create consistent characters, you need to give them names. Additionally, you can indicate their nationality or incorporate other details into their story. This helps in generating images that are consistent with the character you have in mind. Whether it's a teenager, middle-aged woman, mother, toddler, or any other age group, the AI model will understand and generate images accordingly. For example, let's say we have a character named Jenny, a beautiful 7-year-old girl. We can specify her expression, such as a very happy expression, and her surroundings, like being in a garden. By providing these details and clicking on Generate, we can create consistent images of Jenny. You can also specify other preferences, such as the lighting scheme or the type of clothing the character likes. This helps in creating a more realistic representation of the character. When you click on Enter and Generate, you will see the generated images. The first image we generated is a great example of how we can create consistent characters by adding a few details without changing the majority of the character's features. As you can see, the faces and facial structures are very similar. Here's another example of a consistent character we generated. If you don't want any drastic changes or mutations, you can add a negative prompt to smooth out the images and avoid unwanted alterations. Remember, creating consistent characters is a process that requires patience and attention to detail. By following these steps, you can create a variety of consistent characters for your projects. For example, if we want to depict a girl walking or running in a natural environment, using Leonardo Fusion can yield more realistic results. Let's explore another model for creating consistent characters. Here we have it. There are a few changes in the facial structure, but it's quite similar to what we generated previously. In addition to specifying the age and name, you also need to select the hair color and eye color. As mentioned earlier, incorporating the nationality of the characters is also important. Make sure to provide a detailed description of the facial characteristics, expressions, and hairstyle, including any specific colors. When generating characters in Leonardo AI, don't forget to add the name of your character. This is another key aspect in creating consistent characters, as shown in our previous examples. You can also add actions to your characters. Whether it's capturing a specific moment, performing a task, or simply being in a certain pose, you can incorporate these actions into your character's image. This allows you to create dynamic and engaging visuals for your videos or projects.